Imagine a blockchain that runs at the speed of light, leaving its peers in the dust. Welcome to the world of Tectum, or TET as it's commonly known. Now you may be wondering, why does speed matter in blockchain? Think of it this way. In a world where time is money, every second counts. And in the realm of blockchain, speed and efficiency are the keys to unlocking untold potential. Tectum is not just another blockchain, it's a layer 1 powerhouse that's setting new standards for speed in the crypto space. With Tectum, transactions aren't just fast, they're lightning fast. But Tectum isn't just about speed, it's about efficiency, security, and scalability too. It's a holistic solution designed to revolutionize the way we think about blockchain technology. But don't just take our word for it. Dive in to discover how Tectum is not just a claim, it's a revolution in the world of blockchain. So what exactly is Tectum? Let's delve into the workings of this unique blockchain. Tectum, or TT, is a revolutionary addition to the crypto universe. Conceived with a vision to overcome the limitations of traditional blockchains, Tectum was born out of the need for speed and scalability in the decentralized world. Its mission is simple yet ambitious: to become the fastest Layer 1 blockchain in the crypto space. So what does it mean when we say Tectum is a Layer 1 blockchain? Well, in the realm of blockchain technology, Layer 1 refers to the underlying main blockchain architecture. Layer 1 solutions are the primary framework on which a blockchain system is built. They are the heart of any cryptocurrency and are responsible for maintaining the security and decentralization of the network. Tectum, being a Layer 1 blockchain, is therefore the backbone of its own crypto ecosystem. Now let's talk about the speed and scalability. In the world of cryptocurrencies, these are two of the most sought-after attributes. The speed of a blockchain is determined by how quickly transactions can be processed, and scalability refers to the ability of a system to grow and manage an increase in demand. Tectum excels in both these aspects. It is designed to process transactions at lightning speed and can scale to accommodate a surge in demand effortlessly. The inception of Tectum is rooted in the belief that the future of finance is decentralized. Its creators envisaged a world where transactions are swift, secure, and free from the clutches of centralized authorities. By harnessing the power of blockchain technology, Tectum aims to bring this vision into reality. In a nutshell, Tectum is not just a new player in the crypto market, it's a game changer. It's a Layer 1 blockchain that's designed to be faster and more scalable than any of its competitors. It's the embodiment of the potential that blockchain technology holds for the future of finance. Tectum is not just another blockchain, it is a leap forward in the technology that powers cryptocurrency. Tectum is not just about speed, it boasts features that make it stand out in the crowded world of blockchain. Now let's delve deeper into the unique features of Tectum that make it a frontrunner in the blockchain arena. First off, let's talk about scalability. In the blockchain world, scalability is the ability to handle a growing amount of work by adding resources to the system. Tectum's architecture is designed to be highly scalable. It uses a unique consensus algorithm known as proof of history, which allows for faster and more efficient transaction processing. This means that as the network grows, Tectum can easily accommodate the increased demand. Moving on to security, Tectum employs cutting-edge cryptography to secure transactions and data on its network. It's designed to be resistant to quantum computing attacks, a potential threat to blockchain systems. This level of security ensures that your transactions are not only fast but also safe. Now let's talk about the decentralized nature of Tectum. Unlike traditional systems where control is centralized, Tectum operates on a network of computers, each holding an identical copy of the blockchain. This means no single entity has control over the entire network. This decentralization enhances the security and integrity of the system, making it resistant to manipulation and fraud. But that's not all. Tectum also features smart contract functionality, allowing developers to build decentralized applications on its platform. These applications can interact directly with the blockchain, enabling a wide range of innovative uses. And lastly, Tectum also excels in energy efficiency. Unlike many other blockchains that consume a lot of power, Tectum is designed to be energy efficient, making it a more sustainable choice in the blockchain world. With its unique features, Tectum is setting new standards in the world of blockchain. From its scalability, security, and decentralized nature, to its smart contract functionality and energy efficiency, Tectum truly stands out as a robust and reliable Layer 1 blockchain. And the best part, all these features contribute to the speed and efficiency that Tectum is renowned for. The question is, why should you care about Tectum? The answer lies in its potential to revolutionize crypto transactions. Tectum is a trailblazer, offering an unprecedented blend of speed, security, and scalability in the crypto world. Imagine making transactions in a blink of an eye without compromising security. That's Tectum for you. Moreover, its scalability is a game changer. As the crypto market expands, scalability issues can bottleneck growth. But Tectum, with its cutting-edge technology, ensures smooth sailing even when transaction volumes soar. It's not just about the technology, though. It's about the potential. Tectum is at the forefront of a paradigm shift in the crypto market, paving the way for a faster, more secure, and reliable crypto experience. But the real beauty of Tectum is in its potential to disrupt the crypto industry, to change the way we transact, and to redefine what's possible in the world of blockchain. Tectum is not just a blockchain, it's a game changer for anyone involved in crypto. Intrigued by the potential of Tectum? There's much more to explore in the world of this fast-paced blockchain. Immerse yourself in the universe of Tectum and discover the power of speed and efficiency that it brings to the cryptosphere. It's time to take charge and delve deeper. Dive into the world of Tectum, explore its unique features, understand its importance, and get a grip on the future of blockchain technology. Remember, the more you know, the better you can leverage this dynamic platform. This is a journey of discovery, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. But we can't do it without you. Your thoughts, questions, and insights are what make this exploration worthwhile. So don't hold back. Let's start a dialogue. Let's start a revolution. Engage, discuss, and share your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to join the conversation about Tectum and stay updated on the latest in blockchain technology.